This is the Echo TC2100 tiller, little rotor thing. I've had it for about 3 years. I bought it second hand. Working perfectly it was. One of the pipes perished, so I changed the pipes, and then it started. Used it for about a quarter of an hour and it won't start. It will cough and splutter. It will start, but then it will stop, and it won't. It's as if it's flooded. It won't start again. It's in really good nick actually. Nice little one, portable handle there. You can lift it by one hand. So there's a start, stop, throttle. It's 2-stroke. I've tried everything. Changed the spark plug. I haven't touched around with the settings on the carburetor because I don't like doing that. I put a new fine bowl on it. Just don't know what it is, so I'm selling it as spares repairs. Yeah. Thank you.